I'm Avi Horowitz, a local EXP luxury realtor here in Boca Raton, and I've personally been through the entire new construction process with GL Homes at the original Lotus community. Thinking about buying or building in Boca Raton or West Delray, then this is a video you don't want to skip. I'm going to show you how to check exactly what public school your address is zoned for, because it's not as obvious as you might think. Hit like, tap subscribe, and let's get into it. If you're buying in Palm Beach County, especially in West Boca Raton or West Delray, don't guess which public school your address is zoned for. It varies lot to lot, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to check it on both your computer and your phone using the official school district website.
Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to navigate the palmbeachschools.org school finder from your laptop. It's different from a smartphone. Just go to palmbeachschools.org, hover over students and parents, click on to find my school, and it's that easy. You get a toolbar over here or a typing spot over here. You put in your address. And there you have it. All the three schools that your address, where that star is, pertain to. You have Whispering Pines Elementary, Eagles Landing Middle School, and Olympic Heights Community High School. Thank you for watching.
All right, from your iPhone, it's a little bit different. Tap the menu icon on the top left once you arrive, like that. Now scroll down to schools and click the right arrow button on schools. It gives you a drop down. Click Find My Schools, like that. Click the three bars on the top right corner. Click Find My School. Enter the address. And there you have it. It shows you three schools, and it gives you a star as to where you live. Easy as that. Thank you for watching. Before you rely on what pops up in your search, here's something a lot of people miss. If you see Murakami Park Elementary listed, it's actually a lottery school. So being zoned doesn't guarantee you a seat. The fallback school depends on your exact address, and that's why it's so important to check all of this before choosing a lot or signing a contract to buy any house. Especially in a place like this, communities like Lotus and others move fast, and these zoning details can really catch buyers off guard. I'm Avi Horowitz, a licensed realtor with EXP Luxury here in Boca Raton. I moved here from Chicago and bought my home right here in Lotus through GL Homes. So I've been through the full process myself, from picking a lot to navigating the design center and the upgrades. That experience taught me how critical it is to understand zoning, timing, and what really matters before building or buying in a luxury community like this. If this video helped, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check the description for helpful links and tools. You'll also find my link tree down there. It's got all my contact info and social media if you want to connect. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.